Hey, what's up guys? Today's video I'm going to show you how you can turn off the auto backup in your WhatsApp. So the process is very simple. First of all, launch your WhatsApp application and make sure that you are logged into your WhatsApp account number. Select this three-dot icon and select settings. In here, go for chats and right at the section, scroll below until you see chat backup. Tap on the chat backup. And in here, you will see your Gmail address and the GB that you are backing up. Here you will also see this automatic backups. If you tap onto it, it'll give you an option to choose daily, weekly, monthly, or simply turn off. You're going to have to select turn off. And as you do that, confirm your action. And from now on, the chats will not be back up automatically. If you would like, you may go ahead and change the settings by repeating the process that I showed you. So guys, thank you all for watching. If it helped, leave a like and sub. We will catch you up soon.